So I don't know if any of you guys ever seen my parts storage, but it was pretty fucking full. So along with getting rid of this Hyundai, we got rid of a lot of fucking parts. This whole thing was literally stacked to about right here to the fucking ceiling with parts. I'll show you the pile. Oh, and I sold some doors and fenders today, so I gotta take that out. Here's the pile of extra Subaru parts and F-250 parts, and I think there's some Hondas in there somewhere too. But yeah, probably about 2 Subarus in that pile, give or take. Getting rid of all that shit today. Welded the rear differential on the truckaru. See if it wheels any better. Bet it'd do better donuts, that's for sure. Definitely does better donuts. Yeah, dude. This fucking thing rips, dude. Fuck yeah! Phone is coated in mud. Check that out, dude.
Fuck. I wonder if I can fit through that.
Huh? I don't know. Here, I'm gonna get out real quick. See if I can see how muddy my fucking phone is here. Just coated in dirt. Huh? I don't know about that. It's pretty tight. Fucking A, my finger's so muddy I can't hit the stop button, dude.
I want to try to do a burnout.
You think it'll do it? I don't know. I don't know if it'll do it with all-wheel drive. It did it.
How did you say?
It definitely spun all four.
All four?
All four, dude.
Probably all three.
There's one. There's two. Oh no, it spun all four.
Oh, sick, dude.
Yeah, dude.
That's actually decent.
When you were flinging mud too, dude, you had all four going. Like hella good. Truckaru! Dude, my finger's still so muddy I can't fucking hit the stop button. God damn it. Video while I wash off my phone. Don't worry, it's waterproof. So I could be wrong, but I'm here scrapping the Hyundai and all the other bullshit that's with it. And I think the Hyundai is probably gonna end up grabbing the Hyundai. Got ourselves a pretty full fucking scrap load here. Pretty full indeed. That shit. What now? Paperwork. Oh.
The Hyundai pulling out the Hyundai. Oh yeah. Fucking sweet.
Is that good? Is that everything off that trailer?
Everything but a muffler.
Alright. You want to close that so I can see my mirror?
Hell yeah. He's just ripping that shit apart. The roof is gone, bro.
Fuck yeah. Oh man. He's really getting after that fucking thing.
I know.
He's probably checking to make sure we didn't put anything fucking stupid in there, like concrete or something. Alright, I'm gonna pull up to this guy a little bit and then we'll fucking unload that scrap that we got.
Goodbye, Hyundai.
It's true though. It's hella funny.
Funny, they make it seem like the forest comes all the way up to the city like that.
Right?
Hell no.
Yeah, I think my old phone had a better camera.